If you're serious about protecting your car, saving money on insurance claims, and capturing crystal clear road footage, this video is for you. I tested and researched the best 6-car dashcam models on Amazon to help you choose the perfect one, from 4K front and rear systems to 360 degrees coverage. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest Auto Review Lab reviews. Here are the top picks worth buying right now. Number 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam is one of the best-selling 4K dashcams on Amazon, and for good reason. It records ultra-clear 4K front video and 1080p rear footage, giving you full front and rear protection. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor improves night vision performance, which is critical for low-light driving conditions. Built-in GPS tracks speed and route data, and the 5G Wi-Fi makes file transfers incredibly fast to your smartphone. I like that it includes a parking mode feature for 24-hour surveillance, making it ideal for city drivers. Installation is beginner-friendly, and the mobile app is intuitive. For tech lovers who want sharp resolution, reliable performance, and strong customer ratings, this dashcam offers premium features at a competitive price. It's a top choice for daily commuters and road trip drivers. Number 2. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dashcam. The REDTIGER F7N 4K Dashcam is a powerful front and rear dashcam designed for drivers who want crisp footage and advanced features. It captures 4K front video and 1080p rear recording with wide-angle lenses that reduce blind spots. One standout feature is its strong night vision performance, making it reliable for evening commutes or long highway drives. Built-in GPS logs your speed and driving route, which can be useful for insurance claims. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows quick video downloads through the app. I also appreciate its sturdy build quality and user-friendly interface. For car drivers who want dependable recording and solid value, this model balances affordability with performance. If you're searching for one of the best car dashcam options with strong reviews and Amazon popularity, the REDTIGER F7N is a smart investment. Number 3. 70mm A510 3K Dashcam. The 70mm A510 3K Dashcam delivers impressive clarity with 3K front recording and optional rear support. It uses a Sony Starvis sensor, which enhances HDR performance and low-light recording. I like how compact and discreet this camera is. It blends seamlessly into your windshield setup. The Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, alerts add an extra layer of safety for tech-focused drivers. Built-in GPS and app connectivity make reviewing and sharing footage simple. Parking surveillance is another strong feature, helping protect your car even when it's off. This dashcam is perfect for drivers who want advanced tech without jumping to premium pricing. It's a balanced choice between performance and affordability. If you're looking for a smart, compact, high-resolution dashcam for everyday driving, the 70mm A510 is definitely worth considering. Number 4. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K Dashcam. The VIOFO A229 Pro 4K Dashcam is built for drivers who demand premium performance. It features a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, capturing ultra-clear 4K front footage and 2K rear recording. Night vision is exceptional, making it ideal for long-distance drivers and rideshare professionals. The dual-channel setup ensures full coverage, while built-in Wi-Fi and GPS enhance usability. I appreciate the buffered parking mode, which records before and after motion detection events. The image quality is sharp, colors are accurate, and license plates remain readable even at speed. For tech lovers who want top-tier video clarity and reliable hardware, this dashcam stands out. It's not the cheapest option, but the performance justifies the price. If you want one of the best 4K dashcams available today, the A229 Pro is a strong contender. Number 5. Vantrue N5 4-channel dashcam. The Vantrue N5 4-channel dashcam is perfect for maximum coverage. It records front, rear, cabin, and interior views, making it ideal for rideshare drivers or families. With 4-channel recording, you get near 360-degree protection. The infrared night vision inside the cabin ensures clear recording even in total darkness. I really like its advanced parking mode and high-capacity memory support. The image quality is detailed and smooth, even with multiple cameras running. For Uber drivers, road trip lovers, or anyone wanting full security coverage, this is a powerhouse option. It's built for serious monitoring and accident protection. If you want full vehicle surveillance instead of just front and rear recording, this dash cam offers unmatched versatility and safety performance. Number 6. Kingslim D4 4K Dash Cam. The Kingslim D4K Dash Cam is a great budget-friendly 4K front and rear option. It captures Ultra HD 4K video in the front and 1080p in the rear, providing clear detail for daily driving. The touchscreen display makes navigation simple and user-friendly. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS add modern functionality, allowing quick downloads and trip tracking. I appreciate the wide-angle lenses that reduce blind spots. It also features loop recording and G-sensor collision detection for automatic incident saving. For drivers who want premium features without paying premium prices, this dash cam delivers solid value. It's reliable, easy to install, and well-rated on Amazon. If affordability meets performance is what you're after, the Kingslim D4 deserves attention. That's my list of the best 10 car dash cam picks for this year. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Check the links in the description to grab the best deals today.